is up? It is Jamie Vlogs and I'm back with another video. And today, Jordan, I missed. And today, we're doing another video. And I'm going to go the whole entire day without talking. In 3, 2, 1, go. You know, I should have breathed too. Didn't think about that. I'm probably gonna die. Cool. Yeah, I went the whole entire day. It looked like a second for you, but it was 24 hours. That's why it's so bright out, you know. It went from 7 to 12. 12 hours? 24 hours? A second? No, not a second. 24 hours. I had coffee. I am underage. Yes, I am. From my coffee maker right here. Bob, we have a coffee maker. It's right here. No, it's not. Yes, it's invisible. Obviously, it's invisible. But you're my editor, dude. You gotta edit this in. Like, you gotta edit this in, bro. Like, come on. Work with me. Bob, work with me. I know I'm not paying with you. That doesn't make any... I know I'm not paying you. I don't have the money. I don't have money. Literally nothing. Just do it. Edit in a coffee maker. I don't even care if you edit in a blender. I'm still gonna say it's a coffee maker. Just do it. Oh, shoot, it's still corn. You guys.